Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get a new record on this scramble. Oh shoot. Here it is. Oh come on, it must be dead. I guess I'll have to just plug it in. There we go, now I got it back to normal. It's too bad I didn't get a new record. Alright, can I get a new record this time? Maybe, please. It didn't work out well last time. Oh, I know how to solve this case. That is definitely a new record. That is so definitely a new record. This is my main 3x3. It's pretty reliable. Most of the time I get a sub 5. And this is my main 7x7. Most of the time I get a 0.1 seconds. And I bought this cube for 500 cents. And I'm just going to throw it in the air because it is so cool. Wow, this is so awesome. Now I have to use it for competition.
Are you ready?
Not ready.
A few moments later.
Wow, new world record. This is the worst thing that has ever happened to me.
Please sign.
Okay, I'll sign it. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna try to do one more solve. I'm gonna twist the corner just like that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna twist it like this and then too. Oh, I'm just gonna twist this corner then. Oh, I'm gonna twist it again. Oh, I know how to solve this case.